I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 4th of October, and yes, it's downright chilly. Got some of the colder pockets in the 30s this morning for the first time in a long time. Now, let's take a look. First off, the Skycam shots. There's a look at downtown Fayette. Up in northwest Alabama, they're sitting at 42 at 5 o'clock as I do this update. Birmingham Metro, that's the Inverness Skycam. They're showing 44 there. And in Jasper in Walker County from the King Building, they've got 42. Hey, after a long, hot summer, feels good, doesn't it? Here's the numbers. Yeah, we see those 30s on that board. Haleyville, 39. Cullman, 39. Wow. Birmingham sitting at 44. We'll run down a full list of the lows on the blog later this morning, but it'll be interesting to see how Valley Head and places like that come out this morning. And tomorrow morning should be just as chilly. And around the nation, look at that cold air flooding down here from eastern Canada. Readings near the freezing mark over parts of Wisconsin and Michigan. 30s down into extreme North Alabama. Awfully refreshing. The only problem is that it's dry. Haven't had rain in a while. We're not going to have rain in a while. We're in the midst of a long dry spell. The danger of outdoor burning is still very high. Wildfire issues are out there. We have a fire alert for all 67 Alabama counties, so keep that in mind. The next hope of rain is out there at mid-month in about 10 days. But for the next 7 days, we'll see nothing. And no help from the tropics. A couple of disorganized waves, but nothing really serious to discuss this morning as we just wonder if just maybe we'll make it through the hurricane season without a major issue in the Gulf. Still, we've got a ways to go, but we're heading down the home stretch. Here's the GFS valid at 1 o'clock today. This is the OZ run. You can see the trough over the east that's helping to deliver the nice chilly air. And down below that, have a nice north breeze again today. And temperatures will peak around 70. And having said that, the GFS is showing a high of only 65. In the NAM, it's 68. So maybe mid and upper 60s are more likely today with total sunshine. Tomorrow, same deal. We'll start the day well down there in the 40s, wind up with a high close to 70. Both models are printing a high of 71. And Wednesday, mid-70s with a slow warming trend underway. Thursday, we stay dry. Maybe up there in the upper 70s, and pretty much the same deal on Friday. Very quiet weather. Saturday, starting off the weekend, the polar jet is lifted well to the north, and that probably means low 80s. The GFS is showing 83. And on Sunday, pretty much the same deal. Sunny with low 80s likely. So, again, pretty simple forecast. Monday of next week, we stay dry. Now, let's look at the 14th, middle of next week. Long wave trough digging down through here, and that taps a little moisture. And that seems to be the next chance of rain. And pretty cold air coming in behind that. We do note a tropical type system that's lifting northeast out ahead of the trough. Coming up through Cuba and east of the Bahamas, that would be Otto, if that is correct and gets a name. But obviously, with an upper air pattern like that, it will be no impact on us. And on the 15th, again, it lifts out while the rain ends here. So, again, there's our next chance of rain mid-month. And I think this is pretty plausible here. There's been some good consistency in that idea. And then on the 19th, the end of the forecast, strong shortwave passing through just north of us. And again, not much moisture to tap. And this is not that odd. October is the driest month of the year, so pretty standard stuff here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.